This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an active Brawl Stars account and Supercell ID linked. Once done, open Settings and find Creator or Content Creator options. This is where you enable the flow. Make sure you have social links and at least 2 uploaded clips or videos ready to show consistency. Next, gather a short bio and avatar that match your social channels. This speeds approval and avoids rejection for mismatched identity. You proceed by opening Settings and selecting Creator Apply. Complete each field precisely because inconsistency causes rejections. Upload your best 1 to 2 short clips and paste verified social links, then write a clear, concise bio explaining your content focus. Once you submit, verify your email or phone if prompted to confirm identity. This reduces processing time. Stay in the app to catch any follow-up prompts. Responding quickly improves your odds and speeds up final checks. You finish by waiting for the review notification and checking your in-game messages. Approval can take time depending on volume. If your application is declined, read the reason, fix mismatched names or missing proof, and reapply immediately with clearer evidence. Make sure Supercell ID is relinked and your social profiles are public so reviewers can verify content. This single step resolves most issues. If problems persist, retry verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.